I scraped 50 restaurant leads from Google Maps. No code, no copying and pasting, all in under 60 seconds. If you need leads fast, then this might be the most simple system you've ever used. This workflow uses Apify's Google Maps scraper. It runs in the cloud and returns clean lead data. The first thing you want to do is set up an n8n form. In the form, you're going to add a form title, lead scraper, and you're going to add these three key fields: industry, location, and number of leads. Next, you're going to want to set up a HTTP node that posts to Apify's Google Scraper endpoint. Go to Apify and then click on API endpoints. You can simply copy this URL here as it's got your API token. Go back to your HTTP node and paste that in the URL. Make sure your method is set to post. In my scenario, I set up a generic credential type with a header authentication. You don't need to do this. Next, go back to Apify and scroll down until you see this JSON button. Click it and copy the payload here. Now go back to n8n and scroll down. Set the body content type to JSON, specify the body, and paste the code in there as well. What you're going to want to do now is update these three key fields from the form. Location query should be updated to location field. Max crawled places per search should be the number of leads. And your search string should be your industry field. Now that you've got that set up, we add a wait node. This is so that we give it time for the scraping results to actually finish. After that, we need to hit the Apify endpoint again in order to retrieve our lead results. Set up another HTTP node. So what you want to do is make sure that the method is get, and then add a dynamic URL that points to the data set that we just requested. Make sure to reference the dataset ID from the previous node, and add your API token here. Once again, ignore that I've added my own credentials. You don't need to do this. And finally, we're going to want to store our lead data in a Google Sheet. Here's a quick one that I've just put together. Make sure to update your Google Sheet so that we're referencing the correct document, the correct tab. We want to map to the correct fields. So in this instance, website, name, industry, phone, address, and so forth. Okay, so let's test it. I'm going to search for Italian restaurants in New York, and I want 50 leads. So click submit. And let's watch this workflow in action. Awesome, it's now complete. Let's check our Google Sheet. Look at all this fresh lead data that I've scraped in under 60 seconds. Want this exact setup? Type scraper in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow for more AI related content.